Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step on how to wire and enable the reversing camera of Ford Taurus 2022. This video is for those who owns a Ford Taurus 2022, the Ambiente variant, and also to anyone who wants to learn how to enable and connect the reversing camera video signal into the car monitor. Before I start, well, I would like to ask you an apology for my very bad English. Really, I'm very sorry, I'm not good in English. I hope you guys will understand what I'm saying. Just a disclaimer, before doing any modification, be sure to check with your dealer your warranty details, or otherwise you may end up invalidating your warranties. I will not be held responsible for that, so just be very careful. I already posted a video where I connected an aftermarket reversing camera on a Ford Taurus 2021. You can check on my videos. For sure, many of you cannot understand what I'm saying there, as I use my or our language. Well, anyway, now I created this video in English language so you guys can at least understand what I'm saying. So, without further ado, let us start. The equipment and tools I use in this video are a laptop installed with the licensed Forscan. For you guys who are beginners and who don't know Forscan yet, Forscan is software created for Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles. Forscan is a scanner program basically. We will be using this software to modify the settings of the vehicles. We'll be using this software to enable the reversing camera function. If you don't have this software, go ahead, download, install, and get your trial license. By the way, it is important to get license because the software will not let you change settings. You cannot change the settings of your vehicle if it is not licensed, at least a trial one. We will be also needing a LM327 OBD adapter kit like this. You will also need the prying tools. I don't have one, so I use a flat screwdriver. Just be very careful if you use this to avoid scratching the panels. Also, we need the 7mm socket driver, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and we also need a female terminal. This is the diagram of the reversing video connection into the APIM, or the Accessory Protocol Interface module. This is where we are going to connect the female terminal, and this is the connector view. Take note of the pin number and of the positive video signal and the negative video signal, as we are going to connect our camera video signal here. Before we can connect the terminal and the video cable, of course we need to remove the screen and get the access to the connector and the APIM. Here is how to do it. First, carefully try to remove the chrome cover trim, this one. Open the floor console armrest, and using the prying tools, carefully remove the floor console side trims, these panels on both sides. And using your 7mm socket driver and the T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws. Then carefully pry to remove the screen. Once removed, Now we have the access to the connector. This is the connector we are looking for. Now take it out, then remove the cover. It should look like this. Take note the position. You may refer to the wire color for the number, the pin number 1, which is violet red. From here, count to the right. You already know which pin we need. As we saw earlier in the diagram, the pin number we need is pin number 14 and 15. As you can see it, there's no wiring on that pins. Now grab the female terminals and insert accordingly. Then connect the video signal observing the correct polarity. Make it sure the terminals are connected properly. Note the video will not work if it is reverse polarity. So you must connect the proper polarity. Once connected, return the cover and plug the connector back to the APIM and then connect the screen. Next is to enable the reversing function. We need to connect the LM327 adapter kit onto the OBD2 port and connect to the laptop. Switch on the car but do not start the engine. Then start the ForScan software. On the ForScan window, connect the vehicle by selecting the connect to vehicle button, then wait for the software to scan the modules. What we are interested of is the APIM module. Once it is loaded, you can skip the MScan scanning. Go to configuration and programming tab and select the APIM module, then run the service procedure, then find the rear vehicle camera function, or you may filter. You can type the rear or the camera keyword, select it, then edit the configuration to enable the camera function, then confirm the changes. Then cycle the ignition off and on. Then start the service. Then you can disconnect the software from the vehicle. Now you can test the camera to confirm it is working. After confirming everything is working as intended, you can go ahead and reverse the removal procedure and install back all the parts you removed. And that's it. That is how simple how to wire and enable the reverse camera. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.